Are you a student in the UK struggling with assignment writing? Look no further. TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited is here to provide you with valuable tips and guidance to improve your assignment writing skills. With our expertise in academic writing, we aim to assist students in achieving better grades and enhancing their overall academic performance. At TechieShubhdeep, we understand the challenges faced by students when it comes to assignments. Our comprehensive guide offers practical advice and proven strategies to help you tackle various types of assignments effectively. Whether you're struggling with essay writing, research papers, or case studies, our tips will provide you with the necessary tools to excel. Our tips cover essential aspects of assignment writing, including understanding the assignment brief. We guide you on how to carefully analyze the requirements of your assignment and identify key areas to focus on. Planning and organizing. Learn effective techniques for structuring your assignments, creating outlines, and managing your time efficiently. Conducting research. Gain insights into conducting thorough research, finding credible sources, and properly citing references in your assignments. Writing with clarity and coherence. Discover techniques to improve your writing style, enhance sentence structure, and convey your ideas effectively. Proofreading and editing. Learn how to review your assignments for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors, ensuring a polished final product. By implementing our assignment writing tips, you can boost your confidence, enhance your critical thinking skills, and produce high-quality assignments that impress your professors. For further assistance, feel free to contact TechieShubhdeep IT Solutions Private Limited. You can reach us at +91 305233223 or visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in. You can also email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in. Improve your assignment writing skills with TechieShubhdeep and unlock your academic potential today.